we're doing. Right, Sunday, barbecue's on. Happy New Year, everybody. Nice bit of beef from the old rotisserie. Whilst I stood out here freezing my tits off, I thought I'd have a beer. So I've got Paul's Nectaron. I'm assuming it's Nectaron. The writing's come off, but I'm definitely sure it is. So I'm expecting peachy kind of things going on here. With Beaver Town glass. I did say it's a bit lively, so let's just open it carefully, shall we? It's been sat outside, it is a bit lively, for a few weeks in the cold, so hoping it won't be too much of a lively one. Oh, that was pretty non-eventful. So I met Paul a few weeks ago up in Leighton Buzzard. I think he was out with his home brew friends, it was Matt, and I think it was his dad. I'm sure it was his dad, I can't remember, he said it was his dad now. There we go. Bit of an overpour, no, I'm going to get away with it. Quite well carbonated. Oh man, my hands are so cold. There we are, nice 3-finger head. The light kind of gives it like a golden bronzy colour. It looks different on the camera. Not sure about that because I've got a bit of a kind of getting fruity aroma, not a lot else, kind of like flamed, be alright. Passion fruit maybe, don't know. Should have a taste. Quite cold. So, grapefruit, passion fruit, a little bit of that there, quite a bit of bitterness. It's hugely cold, so I think immensely cold. I think that's probably hiding some of the flavours. But all in all, it's a pretty decent beer. It's keeping its head. It looks nice. Tastes alright. Tastes good. Carbonation is going quite well. People had a good Christmas and New Year. New Year was I was in with the missus and kids. We was in bed by 5 past midnight. Just the other day I was up at the Black and Sun. We did a collaboration brew there. A bit carbonation, clination. We drip tray under it. Catch the juices for the gravy. So yeah, I'm not really getting much of the nose, but since I had COVID I've not really got much of a sense of smell. I can't smell my own farts nowadays, even though the missus does. Getting the malts in the background. Peach, passion fruit, I already said that. But yeah, pretty decent beer actually. I just seem so bloody cold to hold. So yeah, nice 7 out of 10, Richard. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much.